Lex Kaiwai music. Hey, yeah, yeah. In a van wakula, eba tukula, we stood side by side. Drillers in the dark, but our dreams were bright. Yeah. Matthew, Mario, Joseph, Mario, my brothers in the mine. Sweat and dust, laughter and pain, every shift we shine. Yeah. Na singa balavu na bongi buto, still we never gave up. Holding on to hope, lifting each other. From Batubula to Aotearoa, you chased a better life. Jehovah company, new dreams, new fights. Esengani alina nonda vewekani, distance can break our bond. Brothers forever, strong and beyond. We were close, nanonda vedokai, written in stone. Even far away, you're never alone. Yeah, you're never alone. Yeah. We shared one lunchbox, one story, one prayer. Laughing on the ground, breathing dusty air. Drill sound beating like a drum in our chest. We worked hard together, gave our very best. Iongo dosa tutani, for opportunity, for family, to build a future across the sea. Yeah. But I'm proud of you, cause real brothers rise when one breaks through. From Batugula to Aotearoa, you chased a better life. Jehovah company, new dreams, new fights. Esengani alina nonda vewekani, distance can break our bond. Brothers forever, strong and beyond. We were close, nanonda vedokai, written in stone. Even far away, you're never alone. You're never alone. Matthew, Mario, Joseph, Mario, remember where we came from. Gold dust on our boots, but fire in our lungs. No matter the miles, no matter the test. You carry Batugula inside your chest. Totoso Tikonga, don't forget your roots. Fiji blood strong in your boots. From Batugula to Aotearoa, your story inspires me. Hard work, faith and unity, yeah. And I do wanna sing and I sota tale. We will meet again, laugh like old times, forget the pain. Brothers forever till the end of time. Matthew and Joseph, your success is mine. Vinakavaka levu nongu kabani. Go shine your light from the mind to the world. You're winning the fight. Teda sema tikonga ena loloma, in heart and soul. Forever brothers, that's how it goes. In heart and soul, forever brothers, that's how it goes.